all before, dog. Told it all before, dog. Wrote it all before, dog. Spoke it all before, dog. Vet of the game, what the hell could you tell me? Hustler of trades, what the hell could you sell me? Not a damn thing, cause I don't buy dreams. Mama used to say things ain't always what they seem. Now that I'm grown, finally know what that means. It means every player ain't always on your team. For every helping hand, always a hidden scheme. Like I ain't helping you if you ain't helping me. And I ain't feeling you if you ain't feeling me. I'll keep it real with you if you keep it real with me. So when you poppin' lip, dog, miss me with the gang. Before I call you bluff and won't miss you with my aim. Twist you with them bangs when I hit you in the brain. For pissing on my head and telling me it's rain. Thought I was colorful, got me mixed up with them lames. Cause I got a job instead of selling cane. It's a damn shame how many people selling things. Acting like you running things, but you only running game. Yo, Kaz, yo,
what's up?
Hey, I just got this deal, man. I just got it from
That's game.
Cats talking about they gon' really put me on.